Members of the Right to Serve group comprising youths engaged in two-wheeler-based livelihood activities have voiced strong disappointment over what they described as the government's prolonged inaction on their demand for individual permits. Addressing the media, group leader K. Nonkandri said the organization has been consistently pursuing the matter since 2023 through formal representations and meetings with Transport Minister Snubhalang Thar. He said, despite repeated appeals urging the government to issue individual permits to riders, the demand has so far yielded only verbal assurances without any tangible progress. Nonkandri stated that the members of the group would continue to carry on with their livelihood activities, asserting that they have already taken all necessary steps from their side to seek a lawful and organized system for their work. He maintained that the responsibility now lies with the government to respond positively to their long-pending grievance. Extending support to the riders, Enlang Soyan, Education Secretary of the Hindu Tribute Council, said the government should treat the issue with seriousness and address the concerns of the youth who depend on the sector for their daily income.
Nakaliang dungi tayo gipakamay offline gipangila ay kating right to serve silong. Di nakaliang dungi siyam ko jing jenjar ka pa bun. Di pat nakaliang dungi ru ladu Islam araja offline ila ajing ko siya ka sarkar. Siya concern department yung ka bodiwan page nakaliang ka transport. Di hadu kadmenta kay ka demand ka dungi ka dailing ba banginyo ya ka individual permit. Di kat nakaliang ka government yang ini ke sekolah kum tu ko ang banai si banai tambah hadukan mentaro kidon bat ki katuk ni ki ba pressure yang ini balik bagi aggregators ni company dan nakaliang jungi ni kwa be ba ngin kamai be individual kan long self benefit kata kan jing sisa ki ong ini ba kin haban thau ya kamegalaya motor vehicle rules jong kamegalaya dia hadukan mental license kin palak ban thau ya kata ka rules ti yangi ki ong ba ki dang sim ya ka motor rule na po central ti wala kataro na kalyang jungi kelpat ba namadon katuk ni pat ki an ki bakila mansna simit ru na banta kinu ki bayo jing mentoy ti haba na kalyang jungi demand ya ka individual permit kalbang ilek ondang ilek yami ngini ya mi setai si sarkar ti ai maningi da ka meglea motor rental scheme ti ya katuk rental scheme ngimtip mano bediman ro tambah nakaliang jungi yang ini berdiman kem ai kata bad katu ka bomdon berdiman ki ai nama balai bagatu ka rental scheme ka dei na bantai ki businessman
nakaliang jong ka new traffic council si daga smiru layo panaya berkat pada sinralang ya ki nik kunhon janti riders ba dei ki nya skuti ki kamai hangni ko nampak silong again bagi i ba nadu menen dan ka notification jong kasokar dekat dengan transport kaong ba ang persya yang ki no kamai asaka ban kamai ki bumsim dan ka permit dan nakaliang jong kasangro ni intasi yo benar dekat ban museum ban khamtame ban jing kersan yang kini kekenhuan kaba kenthop di spangot ki samla ki ba kamai jakpo ban main jakpo ki ba ki kamai suti dan nakaliang kasang kaba di nongelam jong ki nongya suti ki dapat disko hangi rumah kaldan ka representation kaba nakaliang jong kani kekenhuan kelapha so menteri bodi pek ya ka transport department nadu arjan thulai adu kelapharu ka reminder arhusan no mereka bosngosi berbosngodiau kalau banaklian jong ka sokar kami simna simthia ban address ya ke isu bari ke jengya jong gidi kinya asaka hang ya po nong ba slong ki kamai ki badan di spangot ki ba dei para doa ki persnam di jungi ban ki ba biru ki samla ki ba kersan ya ke yeng kesan bari ke jeng dekam jugi ke mas nak yang sang ni semua ban ki pa ba kadai ka jeng bum sunyau la ke jeng kensting nak yang jong ka transport